Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. We are learning about the transitions in the Vue.js. So not only these transitions, we can also apply the animations in the Vue also. I will show you the simple example here. So this is our transition example, right? Let's say here we are having Leela WebDev. So we have finished Vue. So if you want to apply animations instead of this transition, we can apply. Animations means nothing but what I can say is the keyframes if you have an idea. So here I will be first I will be writing the keyframes. So let's take something like bounce in. Okay, so this is the animation name, and here we need to give 0%. So whatever the percent, so it should be 0%, 0 to 100%. So whatever the percent you want, you can take it. I am taking 0%, 50%, 100%. So how much at what stage the animation should be? So at 0% means at starting, 50% means middle of the transition, 100% means on the completion. You can also write in between this one 10%, 15%, 20%, 25% also. You can write it, not a problem. And here I am trying to scale it. Transform scale of 0. So first time it should be like this, it should not be visible. So then afterwards transform. So I am trying to do 1.25 scale of 1.25. And the last one is it should be as it is. Transform scale 1. So this is the thing. So now we have applied this bounce in, right? So let's have this one fade. So this is the fade, right? So now when this animation should be applied, when it is fade dot fade hyphen enter hyphen active. So when this one is like this, and also the another one is dot fade hyphen enter, sorry, leave hyphen active. So these are the things which we need to apply the animations. These are the classes. So these two classes we need to apply this animation. So for applying this animation, what we need to do is, so we have a property that is animation. So animation, and we need to apply this animation name. So what is the type of animation which we have declared? Bounce in, and it should be completed in 0.5 seconds. That's it. So when it is leaving, so you need to apply the same animation, bounce in. Okay, and this one should be 0.5 seconds, and it should be applied from reverse. Reverse means from 100 to 0. So it should be from reverse direction. So this is the animation which we will be applying. So if you try to see the output here, this is the output we are having. And if I refresh this page, and if I click on toggle, see, it is applying like this. One second, let's see. I will try to apply this one. Okay, fine. So if you try to see this toggling thing, we are able to see like this, the animation. So if I make it as a center, text align center. If I make it as a text align center, then see what will happen. So here, you try to see, this should be in the center, right? So it should be like, it will be like this. So this is how the animation will work. So you can apply this animation. So not only the transition, we can also apply the Vue.js animations also. So here we have seen about the animations concept and all those things. And also I want to tell you the custom transition classes. So up to here, if you try to see here, we are using the bounce. So here the transition name is the bounce. So that is the reason I'm using the bounce here. So here when you are trying to use the bounce thing, so we are able to see have some predefined classes like bounce hyphen enter, bounce hyphen leave, enter. So like that we are able to see it, right? So if you want to change that one, so we can also change those classes. So custom class, if you want to keep those custom classes, we can keep those custom classes also. So we will be having enter hyphen from, enter hyphen to, leave hyphen from, leave hyphen to, enter hyphen active, like this we are having, right? So if you want to have your own custom classes, for example, let's say that I want to have this one as a custom class. So here you can add something like enter hyphen active hyphen class is equal to bounce active. So I am using some custom class. So now instead of using this bounce hyphen enter hyphen active, so we need to use this bounce active. Like this, we can determine the classes also. So bounce active, right? So I will remove this one. So in the same scenario, so when you are having another one, something like leave hyphen active hyphen class, leave hyphen active hyphen class. So we can add this one bounce something like leave active or anything. Okay, leave active. So you can add, you can take this class instead of this one, you can apply this one. So like this, you can add your custom classes also. If you try to see the output here for this one, you'll be able to see that class instead of this one. So if I click toggle, see, so here you are able to see leave hyphen active like the bounce hyphen leave hyphen 2. So here active. So like this, we can able to not only this one, so we can apply all the things like enter hyphen from hyphen class, enter hyphen 2 hyphen class. So like that, we can apply all the classes. So this will override the conventional class names. This is especially when you want to combine use transition with an existing CSS animation library such as animate CSS. For example, when you are trying to use the animate CSS, so you will be able to know this one, very popular animate CSS. I open this one, animate CSS. Yeah, here. So you can copy this CSS file. I will show you the simple example. If you go down, so this is our animation CSS. So I can copy this link. Okay, and if I go into this one, so let's go to the index.html and I will place it here. Okay, so this is the animate CSS class. So you will be having some couple of CSS animation CSS without writing our code. So we are able to get it. So here this is the rubber band effect, speaking effect, head shake effect, so wobble effect. So these are all the things you will be able to see. So these are all the things without writing. So you can able to get these all the CSS. So now in order to get this one, so in order to apply this library, so some classes will be there. So here you will be able to see animate underscore animated animate underscore bones. So like this we need to apply. So for this one, what we need to do is, let's go into here. So we have applied this animate CSS, and here we can have enter hyphen active. So here I can apply animate underscore animated animate. Oh, it should be double underscore animate underscore tada. So anything. So when it is leaving, you can apply the same thing, animate underscore animated. Okay, and I will try to do what is this one? So animate underscore. So whatever the name, you have seen it, right? So here you will be able to see so many classes will be there. Here we are able to see animate underscore underscore bones, right? Bones will take it. So bones. So like this we can apply. So these classes will be applied. Now there is no need for us to. So these things will not be applied. Now if I try to take this one, I try to show you here. This page. See, so that is the tada effect, and here this is the bounce effect. So like this you can apply it, not a problem. So like this, the animate CSS, the third party library also, you can use it and you can apply the animation to this one. So this is all about how to apply the animations in the vue.js transition thing. So not only the transitions, we can also apply the animations. So hope you understood about this animations thing. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.